Male peacocks are famous for their iridescent tail feathers, called a train, which can extend over 5 feet 1.5 meters. The train features eye-like patterns called ocelli that shimmer in blue, green, and gold. Males have a metallic blue neck and breast, while females' peahens are more subdued in brown, green, and gray tones. Peahens do not have the long tail train. Both sexes have a fan-shaped crest of feathers on their heads. Males fan out their tail and shake it in a shimmering display to attract females. The sound and movement play a crucial role in mate selection. Peacocks are loud birds. Males have a distinctive, high-pitched call, especially during mating season or when startled. They are active during the day and rest in trees at night. They are strong flyers despite their size. Native to India and Sri Lanka, they live in forests, open woodlands, and farmlands. They adapt well to semi-urban areas. Omnivorous, they eat grains, insects, small reptiles, plants, and berries. Associated with beauty, pride, immortality, and grace in various cultures. Symbol in Hinduism, Buddhism, and Greek mythology. Males can reach up to 2.3 meters 7.5 feet in length, including the train. The body itself is about 1 meter long. Females are smaller, around 86 centimeters to 0.8 feet in body length. Weight. Males, approximately 4 to 6 kilograms 9 to 13 pounds. Females, approximately 2.7 to 4 kilogram 6 to 9 pounds. Males, shimmering blue neck and breast, green bronze back, and a massive tail train adorned with iridescent ocelli. Females, mottled brown with a greenish neck and white belly, lacking the extravagant train.